Hello guys, welcome to Trading Cards India, and today we'll be doing unboxing of this two smart pack from Turbo Attax 2023 by Topps India. One is Max Verstappen edition smart pack, another one is Lewis Hamilton edition smart pack. So let's get going with this one. First, let's open our Max Verstappen edition pack. I've already explained what you can get from these packs in our previous videos, so without wasting any more time, let's just do the unboxing of this pack. Hope we can find a rare purple parallel from this box. It would really be a great add-on. So when you open this box, you get this one packet which has the rare cards, and then there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. You get 12 packets of this Turbo Attax 2023. Each packet has 10 cards. I don't know if there are any foil cards inside these packs or not, or all are base cards. We will have to find that out. We'll be doing a quick opening of this, and then I will show you what exactly do you get in this pack. Wow. The first card itself looks so beautiful. So let's do a fast ripping of this pack so that we can move on in our video. Okay, so you do get a pink parallel, one rainbow foil and one mirror foil. That's the first pack from this. I'll just keep this separate to know the ratio of the packs, and then we'll discuss it later. Base cards we'll keep aside. I'll be continuing this for the rest of the video. In short, after opening 12 packets, we get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 mirror foils, 4 rainbow foils, as you can see the rainbow effect, and 3 pink parallels. So from a smart pack of Max Verstappen, these are the cards we got from the packs, but now our main pack is still left. This particular pack can contain a number parallel card, plus we will also find digital autograph cards in this. So let's open our main pack. Okay. So the first card is Max Verstappen Oracle Red Bull Racing Limited Edition card. I think this is the ultra rare card. Then there is a Platinum Limited Edition card. It looks really neat. Then there is a Gold Limited Edition card. You can see the effects are really cool. Then you get a pink mirror foil card. This is a pink parallel but in mirror foil, not in rainbow foil. Then we have a Lewis Hamilton pink mirror foil card. Wow, we have hit a Max Verstappen signature card. It looks superb. Wow. Which is the second one? Pierre Gasly's signature style card. Wow. Let's see the third one. Alex Albon. Wow, so this was a very good pack. This was a very good pack. We did hit a good one. A Max Verstappen's signature style card. I think the signature style cards are randomly inserted in these packs. It is not fixed that you will get this particular signature only. But wow, in our first smart pack we did hit a Max Verstappen signature style card, and you can see it looks very cool. The foil effects is just amazing. Wow. So that was our Max Verstappen's smart pack. We still have a Lewis Hamilton smart pack to open. In that particular pack we won't open the normal packs because it would not be sensible to just show the base and the mirror foil cards. Rather we can look into the main packet. So let's look what exactly do we get from a Lewis Hamilton smart pack. So again you get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12 packs, which we won't be opening. We already saw the ratio of what cards you can expect from these packs. Let's come straight to the big picture. Can we hit a Lewis Hamilton signature in a Lewis Hamilton edition smart pack? Might be. Let's try to see what cards can we get. Guys, there is also a purple mirror foil cards in these packs. Are we lucky enough to open this from our first smart pack? Let's see. I hope for the best. Okay, so it is Lewis Hamilton gold limited edition card. Then there is Lewis Hamilton platinum limited edition card, and here is the ultra rare card of Lewis Hamilton. Wow. Then there is pink mirror foil cards. Then there is another pink mirror foil cards. Okay, so we got a signature card of George Russell. Alright, which is the next one? Zhou Ganyu. Wow, looks good. And Charles Leclerc. Wow, so we have actually hit 6 different signatures from this 2 smart pack. That's really good. So all 6 are different. So I think we have been lucky that we have hit 6 different signature style cards from this 2 smart pack. 14 more to go, but we have more packs to open, and I think we will try our best to complete this set as soon as possible. So that's it for today, guys, but we have more packs left to unbox and show you what exactly you can find in the packs of Turbo Attax Indian edition by Topps India. We still have our main Bonanza pack left, we have a Champions pack left, and we also have a special India limited parallel pack volume 1 and volume 2. So stay tuned for our next video. See ya soon.